Live Lean Nation, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Live Lean TV. I'm Brad Gouthro. I'm taking you through a workout today. Yes, this is my rooftop gym right here. This is gonna be a body weight workout. You're gonna follow along with me for 10 minutes. That's one round, but if you're up for it, you can do up to 5 rounds of this. So if maybe you're a beginner, aim for 3, 4 for intermediate, and 5 for advanced. You're gonna go through it rep by rep with me. If you wanna redo a round, you can just click a button to start over the video again. Let's get into it. It's too hot in here for your shirt. Rip this bad boy off. That's like old school Brad right there. If you guys are an old school Live Lean TV viewer, let's go. Get down on the ground, 15 reps, push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good form here, guys. 6, 7, your body's straight as a board. 10, push that ground away from you. 13, 14. Okay, back to your feet. Let's go. So there's no breaks in between exercises. You're just going to walk from one exercise to the next. Walking prisoner lunge, going 12 reps per leg. Hands behind your back. That's 6, we're halfway there. More people. 11, 12, 12. Yes, let's go. Let's keep this moving. Get on to the next exercise. What do we got here? Let's go, iPhone. Open up. Jumping jacks. 35. 10. Full extension over your head. Have those fingers touch each other. 20. 35 more. 35. Damn, people, the sweat's coming down. It's only 3 exercises. We still got 7 more to go. Check out what the next step one we had here is. We got 60-second plank. Down on the ground. Let's keep this tight. Work on that core. In.
Timer on. I got you. I got you.
Got me? Thank you, camera woman. But I'm just gonna do it myself.
Alright, fine.
60 seconds in. So guys, with the plank, I want form on point. So think about these coaching cues. Forearms pressed into the ground. You can even have your palms pressed into the ground. Elbows right below the shoulders. My glutes are fired right now, contracted. My abs are contracted. You hit me in the stomach, your hand would smash. My hamstrings are contracted, my quads are contracted. Everything is turned on. Neck is neutral. Hips aren't like this, hips aren't like this. Straight back. We're halfway there. When it comes to the plank, what I like to do is take my mind elsewhere. Think about who's gonna win the football game. Think about what you're gonna have for dinner. Just get your mind off of what you're doing because it can be kind of boring and monotonous. But 60 seconds isn't that long. So we got 10 seconds to go. Keep it tight. Suck that abs in. Belly button to your spine. Time. Awesome, guys. Keep this moving. What's next? Pull-ups. The nasty pull-ups. Head on over to the pull-up bar here. We got 8 pull-ups. A lot of you guys may not be able to do pull-ups. Do assisted pull-ups. If you jump up, do it. Just make sure you get it done. Full extension. Extend your legs too if you can. None of this stuff. No kipping. Straight.
Okay, that was 8.
Hard to talk and count at the same time.
No bonus reps.
Bonus reps. It's better to do too many than too less. Don't cheat yourself. All right, speed squats. We got 45 seconds of speed squats. You got to be timed there.
Okay. That's 5 seconds. 10 seconds.
So when you're coming up, hips go forward, contract the glutes for a little bit, back down again. Core turned on throughout.
20 seconds in.
Halfway there.
20 seconds left.
Make sure you're breathing. Exhale on the way down, inhale up.
Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yes. All right, move on to the next exercise. No rest for the wicked. We got inverted rows. Come on over to the squat rack. 30 seconds.
You want me to time you?
Yeah, I got it too.
Okay.
Squeeze those shoulder blades back. Squeeze. Yeah.
It's 20 seconds in. Three more seconds. Time up.
So you know you're doing those right when you just feel those pinch those shoulder blades back, turn like you're trying to squeeze a pencil between your shoulder blades. Let's keep moving. We got mountain climbers. Mountain climbers 20 per leg. So it's 1, 1, 2, 2. 20. Damn, people. Keep that form tight. No sloppy reps here. They don't count. Do a sloppy rep, take a breath, do it over again. Hand walkouts. Damn, you serious hand walkouts? We got 6 of these babies.
They look like the bend and snap.
That's 1 rep. That's 2 reps.
Come on, all the way to your heels, Gouthro. Let's go.
All right, I like it.
All the way in, buddy.
4.
Those heels down.
5. 6.
Nice.
I like how you're calling me out.
Yeah, right?
If I'm calling you
Yeah,
guys
right?
out, I want my coach to call me out too.
Everyone needs a coach.
All right, last one here. We got burpees. Finish it off with the grand
Oh
finale.
yeah, buddy.
15 burpees, so this is just regular burpees. You don't need to do the push-up or the jump. Just like this.
These better be clean.
4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sweat, people. That's where all the results are. Don't be afraid to get outside your comfort zone here, guys. That's just 1 round. You still got 2, 3, 4, or 5. No, 2, 3, or 4 to go.
Or just do 1 if you really can only do 1.
That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's workout. This is actually a workout from our teamlivelean.com group coaching platform. We just revamped the entire site. It's all mobile friendly now. Have your phone with you at the gym. Videos are all on there. You just basically see, oh, this is set, next set, next set. So this is an example of a body weight style that you do. Not only do we have body weight style workouts, we also have gym workouts with weights. We have something for everybody there. So guys, I can already feel my belly getting tight tighter after just one round. That's why we call this one the Bye Bye Belly bodyweight workout. You can get inside Team Lift Lean. It's all right there. Don't know how to do an exercise, simply click on the video, shows you how to do it. Gives you your sets, your rest, your reps, your tempo, it's everything. And then once you're done a workout, head on over to our exclusive Facebook group, share your workout with the other Team Lift Lean members, keep each other accountable, follow the meal plans in here, every day new meal plan. Guys, we got you hooked up. The rest is up to you. Hopefully you guys enjoy this workout. Thanks for watching and keep living lean. Boy.